Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. Today in this video, we will explore the transformatic voice typing feature inside Windows 11. A tool that is not only futuristic but can significantly streamline your digital interaction, making typing a breeze. But before we dive deep into it, let's talk about what value it brings to the table. The voice recognition feature is impressively accurate, making the voice typing experience seamless and efficient. So now the question arises how we can enable it and start using. For that, we will be covering every step from very basic. But before we proceed, consider like and subscribe to this channel as we keep on bringing these kind of videos that are going to provide a real-time impact and value to your life. Now let's get back to our topic, which is voice typing, and now we will see how we can enable it for the first time. For that, we need to click here on this menu button and then click on settings. So this will basically open our setting page. Now here on the search bar, either you can type voice typing, or let's click here on accessibility. Now here we need to go inside speech setting, which you can see here, and there you will find voice typing. Okay, so this is the setting that I was talking about. And here we can see the instruction for the voice typing, which is please press Windows logo key and H button to enable voice typing. So if I press Windows and H, here we go. Here I can see this voice typing menu bar appear. So in this way guys, we can enable voice typing. For those folks who speak other language than English, in that case what we can do is we can go back here in start menu, in settings, and then here we can click on time and language, and then language and region, and then here we can actually add the language. So just click here. For example, I am from India, so I can also add Hindi here. So let me type Hindi. Maybe in your case the language could be different, and then I can see here the capability of this language, and below here you can see what does this symbol mean. Unfortunately for Hindi, speech recognition is not available, therefore I may not able to use it. Let's try another language, for example German, this one. And here we go. Here we can see we have all 4 options available. So let's say if your regional language is German, so you can install it, and then it should able to recognize your voice as well. So in this way guys, apart from English, we can also install regional language and support. Now let me actually close it, and now let's see with some example how we can utilize this voice typing. And actually there is no such barrier that you can use voice typing in a particular app, but you can use it with even one of the simplest app, which is known as Notepad. So for example, this is Notepad, and here I want to use Microsoft voice typing. For that, simply press Windows and H, and there we go. Here we can see the voice typing menu bar or floating menu, whatever we say, appears, and then it actually started working. Full stop. And there we go. Here we can see the thing that I am saying. It is able to recognize what I am saying, and then is able to type without any human intervention. So this gonna give you a very decent speed. Even maybe you can type faster than what we can do with fingers in most of the scenario, I would say, although I'm not challenging anybody, as some of people may even type faster. Full stop. So in this way guys, we can easily type using voice typing. Now let's have a look on some of the setting that is available with this voice typing. For that, let's click on setting. Here we go. Here I can see I can actually enable this voice typing launcher by default, and here we also have an option of automatic punctuation. We will go through it in a while. And then here we also have an option to choose mic, which mic you want to choose to speak. So in this way we can customize it based on our need. So now let me actually quickly show you some of commands. So here, since I already have enabled this voice typing launcher, therefore I can see it even without pressing Windows and H. Now since I have disabled it, again I can see it now got vanished. So if I again press Windows and H and go to settings and then voice typing launcher, it will be always there whenever we choose any data field. So now I have just enabled voice typing. The first command that I wanted to show is some of the punctuation that you can always speak. For example, full stop. There we go. Full stop walked. Then other examples are at sign, comma, pound sign, comma, dollar sign, comma, percent sign, comma, ampersand, comma, asterisk, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and so on. The full list you can see I will be adding of these signs or symbols in the description of this video. Full stop. The next command that I would like to discuss with you is next line. The next line command allow us to place the cursor in new line. Similarly, let's say you would like to do something undo. You can simply say delete that. Delete that command will automatically delete the whole line or sometimes the wording that you said. For example, let me do it and show you. Delete that. So in this way guys, we can delete the sentence or the text that we just spoke. Full stop. Now let's talk about the another tool, which is selection tool, and that is also pretty easy. Full stop. To use that, you just need to say select that. And in this way guys, we can select the recently said or typed word using voice typing. So in this way guys, we can effectively use Microsoft voice typing and can be utilized with any possible software, provided it should have something where we can feed the data. For example, even you can do that inside this search bar, Microsoft Bing. There we go. So in this way, the voice typing tool provides us freedom to type text anywhere. No matter if you are using Microsoft Word, WordPad, Notepad, Notes, anything, you just need to press this button, and then in this way guys, you can start typing, and that is very accurate and very fast. So if you are a newbie here and you would like to type very fast, then this is one of way to go. Full stop. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more such productivity content, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.